nutrient distribution. We're standing in the kitchen about to cook some lentils. Use some green lentils. Shout out to Lit Lamping with Jeannie, Tropical Vegan Cafe. Check out my post-production. So yeah, gonna put some water in. Normally I use spring water. Yeah, you know the time stuff. Let's see. Lentils definitely good for gains, vegan bodybuilding. Jewels of enlightenment on my wrist. So basically I'm gonna pour this in. Make sure that the water covers the lentils. And then let the water come up to, once it starts to boil, then you can turn down the heat to low. You can come in and show them that. You turn down the heat to low and then you let it simmer. So just make sure it's not clumped up. Let it do its thing. You can press the button.